Greetings, everyone. Are you currently facing the need to update your address on your Monzo account? No worries. The good news is that it's an easy process that you can do yourself. I'm here to guide you through the essential steps of updating your home address on your Monzo account. To begin with, you need to access the Monzo website by opening it in any web browser. If you're like me and do not have an account already, fear not, I will walk you through the steps required for updating your address. First and foremost, update your home address in the Monzo application itself. To do so, you must confirm your identity through your personal account PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you have successfully provided the verification, head over to the Home tab and look for your profile icon. If it's not visible, swipe down on your card and it should appear. Then, tap on the settings clock and proceed to your name. Scroll down to your address, and from there you can edit your address or add a new one to switch your address.
That's it!
Following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily update your address on your Monzo account.